Yes, student, today we are studying exterior angle of a triangle and its properties. So first of all, we're going to understand what are exterior angle of a triangle and what is the property based on it. So let us see the figure. You all know what is a triangle. A three-sided figure is called a triangle. This is a triangle. If I extend any of the side of the triangle to one side, then suppose this is the base and I extend it to the right hand side. So you can observe we have an angle between these two lines. So this angle will be called exterior angle. Again, if we extend this base to another side, that is left hand side, then this will be called the exterior angle. If we take this side and produce it upward, then this will be called exterior angle. You can also produce it downward, then this will be called exterior angle. The same way for another side also you can observe. Let us check. If we produce this side to upward direction, we get an exterior angle. You can also produce it to the downward direction. You will get exterior angle over here. So one point you have to understand about the exterior angle, that this angle is between one side which is extended and another side of the triangle. One more figure I am drawing. You can notice if we extend these two, then you can observe this will be called as exterior angle. This will also be called as exterior angle. But for this exterior angle, this property which I will going to explain you right now will not be applicable, because this exterior angle is between the two lines or two rays which are extended, which are formed by extending the two sides of the triangle. When we extended this side and this side, we are extending two sides, then this exterior angle is formed. So this property will not be applicable for such exterior angle. So you have to understand such type of exterior angle should be there in which only one side is extended. Now let us come to the property. This is the exterior angle. And how many interior angles we have? Let us name it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 3 interior angle and 1 exterior angle. This interior angle 4 is attached with angle 1 which is exterior. So you have to neglect it. We are going to take those interior angle which are opposite to it. So if we talk about the opposite interior angle to this exterior angle, they will be angle 2 and angle 3. So this point you have to note, that the angle which is not attached with the exterior angle will be taken as the opposite interior angle. So what is the property? The property is exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. If you see this figure, so according to this figure we can say angle 1. We have marked exterior angle as angle 1. So we can say here angle 1 is equal to. The opposite interior angles are angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3. The word is sum. Sum means we have to do the addition of these. So this is the property based on exterior angle of a triangle, and what it is, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So this is the property. This you have to note it down. This is the main point. Now let us solve some questions based on this property. So here is the question based on exterior angle property. So question number first, only one question I am taking, and we are going to consider two figures based on it. Find the value of unknown angle x in the given figure. We have to find the value of the unknown angle. So let us take the figure first, number A part. Let this be the triangle and this side is extended to downward position. Let this be x degree, this angle be 65 degree and this angle be 45 degree. So here you can observe this x angle, which is marked as x, is the exterior angle, and these two angles are interior angle opposite to it. So directly we can use the exterior angle property over here, since you just have to write the property exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Therefore, in place of exterior angle, we are going to write x, sum of opposite interior angle, plus sign. Opposite interior angle are 65 degree and 45 degree. Now what you have to do, directly you have to add both of them. When you are going to add, you will get the value of x equal to 110 degree. So this way you can find the value of x. Now let us take one more figure, number B part. Here I am changing the figure and the values. So this is marked as 125 degree. This angle is x, and here we have the symbol. I think you all know this value of this symbol. This symbol denotes 90 degree of angle. So here we have to find the value of x, and you can observe here the x is in the interior of the triangle. It means it is the interior angle, and in the first part x was exterior angle. Here it is interior angle. Now what is the exterior angle here? This side is extended upward and the angle is formed, this one, which is marked as 125 degrees. So this is the exterior angle. An angle opposite to it, which are interior, are x and 90 degree. So here also directly you have to write the formula of exterior angle, or the property of exterior angle, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So main thing is you have to identify the exterior angle and the angle which are interior to it and opposite to it. Now exterior angle is marked as 125 degree. So we're going to put the value 125 degree equal to sum of opposite interior angle. We have one angle as x plus another is 90 degree. With the help of this symbol we can identify that this is 90 degree of angle. Now for finding the value of x, we have to transpose 90 degree to the another side. So we have to remember the sign rule that we have learned. We have to remove plus 90 degree to another side. When plus 90 degree is taken to another side, it is changed with minus sign. It is moved with minus sign. So we can say here we can write x is equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. Directly I am writing x equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. When you transpose it, you will get the equation like this. X will remain over here, and here you have 125 degree minus 90 degree. So x is on the right hand side and 125 minus 90 degree on the left hand side. You can reverse their position. This combination is in positive sign and x is also in positive sign, so there will be no change in the sign. Directly you can write. Now 125 degree minus 90 will give you the value. When you subtract both of them, you will get 535 degree. So the value of x over here we get 35 degree. So student, this way you can find any missing value based on this property of the triangle. Thank you.